Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for March 1 to 15, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see Virgo, what's coming to you first half ng March. Pisces energy. So maaring iba sa inyo meron kayong Pisces placements. This is about connecting to your emotions, connecting to your creativity, creative talents, creative skills. Maaring medyo emotional kayo ngayong first half ng March. You also have 5th house, which is about your passion. Yes. So I think Virgo, meron kang ipupursu na talent, skill set mo, or ito yung parang libangan mo siya pero pwede mo siyang maging source of income, or pwede mo siyang pagkunan ng fulfillment sa buhay, no? Some of you may also feel deeply in love with someone, kahit na bagong kakilala mo pa lang tong person na to. I also have the Sun, which is your confidence, your vitality, your strength. So when it comes to your health, maganda yung situation ninyo sa kalusugan ninyo, especially kung kayo ay merong yung tinatawag nilang creative outlet, no? Kasi 'di ba, yung iba may trabaho na, let's say, empleyado, tapos talagang workforce ka talaga, but if meron kang ibang pinagkakaabalahan outside of your work, so doon ka mas nalilibang, doon ka mas nare-relax. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Strength card. Ang ganda nito as your overall energy. So, ibig sabihin nito, malakas ang inyong pangangatawan. This is also about your courage. Malakas ang loob mo. Your challenge is the Empress. So, yung iba sa inyo, syempre hindi naman mag-resonate sa lahat, no? But if you are pregnant or merong someone sa family nyo ay na pregnant, take extra careful, okay? Medyo mas mag-ingat, especially kung sensitive yung pagbubuntis or nasa critical na stage ng pregnancy, like sa first trimester and sa last trimester, no? But I see you becoming more creative talaga. I think meron kang creative talents and skills na pwede mong i-cultivate, pwede mong i-improve. And when you tap into that energy, I see you creating more abundance sa buhay mo. So whatever talent you have right now, i-explore mo, share it to the world, kasi this will bring you recognition, no? May maraming taong makakapansin sa'yo. And eventually, ito ay maaring magbigay sa'yo ng mas marami pang opportunities in the future. Wow, speaking of opportunity, the Sun, double Sun ka na dito, oh. This is happiness, Virgo. So you have the opportunity to be fulfilled, happy with your life, and also to have fun. So maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga activities ngayong first half ng March na kung saan kayo ay enjoy nyo yung araw, enjoy nyo yung nature. So pwedeng kayo ay magbabakasyon na agad. Oo. Summer vacation, going to the beach, enjoying outdoor activities. And then your blessing is the King of Swords. So as a blessing, you will be more informative, no? So that's what I'm seeing sa inyo. Very curious din. Maaring marami kayong gustong malaman, matuklasan, i-improve sa inyong mga sarili. And also, meron din kayong major decision na gagawin, na kung ito'y pag-iisipan nyo ng maigi, you will be able to choose the best decision. This can be sa work, or may kinalaman sa documentation, pwedeng kung may application kayo abroad, no? Oo. And then sa money, career, finances, you have the Ten of Cups. This is fulfillment in your career, in your business, in your finances. And yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong katuwang sa buhay. This can be your family, your romantic partner, or yung mga tauhan mo, no? Kung meron kang empleyado. And also, yung iba sa inyo, masaya na kayo sa career path na meron kayo. You're enjoying what you have right now. Yes, you also have the Page of Cups. You are in alignment of your dreams, your hopes, your creativity. There's a lot of creativity sa inyo na i-explore ninyo. Ito yung mga pangarap nyo pa way back nung bata pa kayo, and I feel like this is finally happening, no? And then sa love life, you have the Emperor and the Devil. Nako, yung iba sa inyo, pagdating sa love life, pwedeng merong rito, struggle, power struggle. Kasi you may be in a relationship with someone na may pagka-toxic siya, or may pagka-controlling, may pagka-narcissistic, or possessive. So, medyo mahirap i-handle yung ganyang klaseng relationship. Just make sure to set your boundaries, no? Kasi minsan pag nasosobrahan, no? Sobrang mahal mo yung tao eh. So, hindi ka na makapag-set ng boundaries. So, syempre, magtira ka rin para sa sarili mo. Kasi pag na-drain ka, magba-backfire yan eh. Kumbaga, pwedeng maging reason yan para masira yung relationship ninyo. So, if you're with someone right now na parang alam mo kinokontrol ka na, masyadong possessive, so, take a step back. Reassess mo yung situation kung willing ka na magstay sa ganyang klaseng relationship. Very likely. Oo, alam nyo, kung ano man tong goals ninyo, gusto nyong i-pursue at makamit ngayong first half ng March, kung kayo ay mag-e-effort, no, magiging persistent kayo, hindi kayo susuko, makukuha nyo yung resulta na gusto ninyo. May harvest, oo. Kaya tuloy mo lang yan. Person of fire. Some of you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, kaya siguro nagkakaroon ng conflict sa inyo. Maaring pagdating sa reasoning, parang feeling mo masyadong, the person that you're dealing with is masyadong parang, galit agad. Oo. So, I think you will, somehow, no, may iba sa inyo para kasi may, blinder, so, parang may nagko-cover sa mata mo, hindi mo nakikita. So, maaring merong mga bagay na kailangan mo nang makita sa situation mo, sa relationship mo, na alam mo yung mga red flags, no? So, you have to reassess your situation. Kasi, syempre, dapat ikaw yung in control sa buhay mo. And, kung anong direction yung gusto mong patahakin, if the person really loves you, then that person is going to support you. You are also going to stay in power. So, maaring iba sa inyo, merong leadership role. Alam nyo, pagdating sa trabaho, talagang pulidong-pulido kayong gumawa. Like, talagang, kung ano yung requirement, yun talaga yung sinusunod nyo. Protection. Consider who you allow to take your energy and who you give it away to freely. Diba, Virgo? Protect your energy, set boundaries. Kasi nga, maaring hindi nyo napapansin, kayo na pala ay kinokontrol ng isang tao sa buhay ninyo. 'Di ba? Minsan parang nabubulagan, no, sa sitwasyon, sa pag-ibig. Okay, let's see what else. Astro dice for Virgo. You have the third house, Neptune. In Cancer in the third house. Neptune is your creativity, your talents, your imagination. And you have Cancerian energy, which is protection, nurturing. So, talagang, like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, may malaking parte ng buhay ninyo na magfo-focus kayo sa inyong skill set, sa talents and skill set ninyo, especially if you are into social media, communication, teaching, and also nasa ano kayo, yung parang nasa public life. Okay, so that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.